In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and create tags in WordPress. Whether you're a blogging newbie or a seasoned web manager, understanding how to efficiently use tags can greatly enhance the organization and discoverability of your content. So, let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is navigate your web browser to wordpress.com. Once you're there, you'll see the WordPress login page. Look for the login button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. After you've clicked that, you'll need to log into your account. If you have a Google account linked to your WordPress, you can simply click on Continue with Google. This will speed up the login process by utilizing your Google credentials without needing to remember an additional username and password. Once you click Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to choose which Google account you want to use to access WordPress, particularly if you have multiple accounts. Simply select the correct account and you should be automatically logged in. Now that you're logged in, look for the Posts section in the WordPress dashboard. It's usually on the left-hand menu. Click on Posts and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Tags. Clicking on Tags will direct you to the Tags Management page, where you can view all existing tags on your site. This page allows you to see what tags are already in use, helping you avoid duplication and enabling a more coherent tagging system. To add a new tag, you will need to type in the name of the tag you wish to create. It's important to keep your tag names succinct and relevant, as they play a crucial role in grouping similar posts together. Besides the tag name, you could also add a description for your tag. This is optional, but providing a description can come in handy, especially if other contributors are using your website. It helps clarify the purpose of the tag, ensuring it is used correctly across the site. Once you've filled in the tag name and, if desired, the description, simply click on the Add New Tag button to save it to your site. And there you have it, a brand new tag created and ready to organize your content more effectively. Thank you for joining me today as we explored how to view and create tags in WordPress. By mastering the use of tags, you're taking great strides towards making your content more structured and user-friendly. Happy blogging, and I hope to see you in the next video.